Meron kaming baby nung mag-boyfriend pa lang kami. Color yellow yun, sige baby. If super close kayo, you know, si baby, she's color yellow. Lagi niya ako niloloko. Wala pa si Sabi. Sabi niya, what if magka-baby tayo, no? Tapos lumabas siya color yellow. And then, lumabas nga yung baby namin, color yellow. But it was very, siyempre first time parents namin. So, hindi namin alam yung gagawin. But, we remain faithful to the Lord. Sobrang daming binigay ni Lord sa amin ng mga tao na mag-guide sa amin, mga kapatid ni Jet, parents, and family members. Definitely, sobrang nakihelp sila sa amin. But, yun nga, when she got admitted to the hospital, parang, almost million, half a million. And we didn't know kung sabi niya nga kung saan kami ng Diyos namin kukunin. But kailangan namin siya ma-admit kasi hindi, mawawala siya sa amin. But we went home kasi hindi talaga namin alam kung saan kukuha. We went home. And then, we were crying already kasi ang dami na namin pinagdaanan since pregnancy. And then, nandito pa, may problema pa din. But si Nanay, she reminded us na God will provide for you. God will make a way. And sobrang thankful talaga kami kay Nanay. Thank you po, Nanay, for reminding us na we have a living God. And yun, so ayan, yung baby na yun na fighter ever since nasa siya ko, won na siya. That's why we're having this kind of celebration kasi we wanted to really celebrate her life with every one of you. So, ayan, of course, I want to thank my mama. If not for my mama and my papa, hindi po ako makakapagtuloy ng work, definitely, and hindi din siya makakapahinga. So, thank you so much sa lahat na tumutulong sa amin sa araw-araw. Thank you for coming here. And for Sabi, of course, my prayer is for you to grow up na mapagmahal sa magulang, mapagmahal sa kapamilya, sa lalong-lalo na number one kay Lord, of course. And siyempre, again, sinabi ko na kanina, one ka pa lang, wala kang pressure. Basta gagawin ni Mommy and Daddy lahat for you. Hindi man kami yung best parents, pero lahat ng best na alam namin, bibigay namin sa'yo. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.